Hey guys, I'm really excited about this DIY from Dollar Tree. So I went and got 8 of these faux agate stones. These are actually wall hooks. And you can get however many you want. You can also order them online if they don't have them in your Dollar Tree, and I'll leave the link below. The first thing that you want to do is take out all of the screws, and I'm just doing this with a Phillips screwdriver. And then I'm also using a precision screwdriver. It's just a little tiny screwdriver for the holes in the back. This is what it's going to look like after you got all your screws removed. Then you want to take an 11/16 drill bit, and be very careful when you're doing this. I like to go in the middle of the 2 holes in the top and then just drill straight down, and make sure you do this on a surface that you don't mind getting holes into, like a scrap piece of wood or something. And you just want to drill down and create a hole, and the 2 screws that you had in there will no longer be visible, so it's just going to be 1 hole in there, and that's what it should look like. Then you want to flip it over, and then I just took some sandpaper and scraped off the back to get rid of the screw hole bumps. And now I'm just going in with some Mod Podge, and I'm going over the hole that I created, and I'm touching it up with some black acrylic paint on the back. I'm going to use some of these self-adhesive felt pads for the bottom of the coasters. That way they won't scratch the furniture and they won't bang against each other while they're being stacked on top of one another. Using a 50% off coupon, I went to Joann Fabrics and picked up this wood coaster. I put my agate coaster on top of that one to mark where I wanted the hole in the wooden coaster to be. Then I'm going to go in with a 5/8 drill bit, and I'm going to put a hole into this coaster, but I'm not going to go all the way through it. I'm going to go 3/4 of the way in, and I'll show you guys why in a minute. I picked up a 5/8 dowel rod, and I'm just going to slide it into the bottom of the wood coaster, and you'll see that this is going to be a pretty tight fit because we drilled a 5/8 hole in that. But I'm going to secure it more with some hot glue. Then I'm just going to stick the dowel rod into the hole that I created, and that's why you don't want to go all the way through to the coaster. I'm going to flip the wooden coaster over, and I'm going to put some felt pads on the bottom of that as well. That way it won't scratch the furniture. And I'm going to protect this using a couple coats of polyurethane. And that's it. You have your coaster set. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give me a like if you like it, and subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.